Look at, oh, did you see that?
Alright, you're good to go.
You see that? I got it. I just got it back in the zone. Welcome back. I'm CleanKIX Evan, and we got some nasty, muddy blazers I'm about to clean. This isn't necessarily a walkthrough. It's more of a commentary, but if you do want to walk through, we have another video. We'll link it in the description. Should we get started? Look at, oh, did you see that? I'm just kidding. Well, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, Tyler, look at this. I haven't even started cleaning yet. So I'm just gonna go over it with the soft brush and see what happens. Because I don't want to make mud. Mud is not what we want. We want it to be dry so that it just chips away. Because if it's mud, then it'll get deeper into cracks, and that's just not good. Ugh. All right. Yep. Okay. So I'm just gonna start taking out the laces. That's what I'm gonna start. Oh yeah, laces. Oh, what do you think this guy was doing? Hot taking the safari? Safarying in the African desert, catching lions. I'm struggling right now. Oh, it's so dry. It's so dry. You know when it's like really dry and you like,
It's dirt.
I feel like an archaeologist. Would you disagree? Look at that. You see the dust that's coming off? Watch. Why is it taking so long to get these freaking laces out? Oh, you can taste it. Ready? This is gonna be so sick. Okay, wait, hold on. Oh my gosh, that is caked. That is, hold on. This is exciting. Oh gosh. That's impressive, actually. Is that salt? Where did the salt come from? Insoles do not, in fact, come out. That's fine. Yeah, the insoles are glued in. That's okay. We're just gonna go with this. That is destroyed. Look how better they look already. Bye, Tyler. I didn't say bye, gosh. Ready? That's... See this?
Yeah.
The whole Sahara Desert's in here. What the freak? I don't understand. We're gonna get a little wet.
What do you mean by that?
Sorry, rag. Not too bad. Full send, I guess. In my freaking nose. I didn't think it was gonna fit. I didn't try it though. No. Might check on a sweater later. Do you see my Supreme sweater? It's super like... Yeah, here. Just... So these weren't too difficult to clean. Pretty much just getting that top layer of dirt off, which made a huge mess. And then just touching it up and getting the dirt and dust out of the cracks and crevices and whatnot. There still could be a little bit of touch-up work to be done. We'll go over them one more time, get the laces done, probably do the insoles and stuff you can't really see on camera and stuff that's kind of just boring. But that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Follow us on all of our social medias, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, whatnot, all that stuff. If you want to see the video of us doing a walkthrough, that's in our YouTube, linked in the description. If you made it this far in the video, comment cheese in the comments. We'll shout you out in the next video. Deuces. Oh wait, ready for this? This is gonna be dope.